Kung mahilig ka sa fried chicken na crispy fried on the outside pero juicy pa rin on the inside, then this video is for you. Meron kaming nasubukang bago dito sa May Angeles City that serves crispy chicken tenders paired with rice, fries, and bread. Uunahin nating tikman itong kanilang animal-style fries. So meron niyang Cajun fries and chopped chicken tenders, cheese sauce, and their signature sauce na medyo honey mustard yung dating. Although I think it would also go so well with some pickle relish. Ito naman yung tinatawag nilang Hot Chicks 1, meron siyang fries, tatlong chicken tenders, and a toasted bread. Ang sarap ng toasted bread nila ha. I think this is brioche with sesame. And then sa chicken tenders nila, crispy fried on the outside pero juicy pa rin. Ito naman yung Hot Chicks 7 na 3 pieces of chicken tenders pa rin. In the middle of a toasted bun, 2 slices of American cheese, their signature sauce, and herbs. And syempre sa lahat na naghahanap ng kanin, meron din sila nitong chicken tenders with kimchi rice. If you love chicken, try Hot Chicks and enjoy!